Hello, hola, I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney. This is the channel that you will get nothing but free, valuable information on how to be a successful landlord and how to blow up your wholesale business. Today, I got a good one. We're going to be talking about how to buy a house without a credit score. So, come on in. You've probably heard it before. Yes, you can buy a house without credit score. Or you're probably wondering, can I really actually buy a house and don't have a credit score? I don't have a number. I haven't brought anything. I haven't did anything. Can you actually buy a house without a credit score? The answer is yes. Yes, you can. So let's get started. Let's just jump right in. We'll make this video short and sweet. Real estate is hot right now. This is the time to buy, whether it's for your first home, whether it's for a rental, whether it's for investment property, whether it's a short-time rental, or you're buying because you're ready to step it up and go into your next house, or your first house maybe. That could be it. Whatever it is very possible that you can buy. Well, today we're going to quickly go over how you can still purchase a house without a credit score. So if you are a renter and you are renting a place right now, this is the right video. You want to stay to the end so that you can understand and get the tips on how to be able to purchase a property, so that you can be a first-time homeowner and you can stop paying rent and own your own home. And if you are a broker or a realtor, this video will be an eye-opener for you. So make sure you stay to the end. Make sure you click the little belly thing to subscribe, because we'll have a lot of jam-packed tips and tools on how to crush in this real estate industry. A credit score is just a history on how you manage debt and payments. Now, there are ways to do this and get a mortgage. So yes, you have to have some type of basic, and that basic will be a means to pay, a job, a career. You can show that you have income coming in. You can show that you've made payments. Well, there's three methods and there's three ways to be able to get a credit score or to get a mortgage without a credit score. The first one, of course, you know, that's obvious. It's cash. We won't go over that because, of course, you don't have $200,000, $300,000, or $400,000 in cash. If you have that much cash, you should also have a credit score. It's an option, and it may take forever, and it is the easiest way with cash because at that point you're no risk. But I had to mention it, and it's going to be very difficult to come up with that much money, but that's a way to obviously get a house without credit. Number one would be cash. Let's move on to the one that is not as obvious and not as easy. The second method is what certain banks use, and it's called the manual underwriting method. Before I get into that, I want to give some shout outs. I want to also ask that you subscribe if you haven't already. This channel will be jam-packed with tips and tools to help you out. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click on the little belly thing so you won't miss the good stuff that I got for you. I post 2 times a week on real estate investing, being a profitable landlord, blowing up your wholesale business, tips and tools to save you money, make you money, and also to help you become a better you. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so now. Do me a favor, that helps out the algorithm. I randomly select and I randomly mention some new subscribers and new commenters that have commented on videos, and new subscribers I randomly select and mention on the next Rena MoMoney video. So if you want to be mentioned on the next Rena MoMoney video, make sure you take some time out. Don't forget, subscribe. Make sure you look in the description. I got to get that out. Look in the description. If you are an upcoming landlord or upcoming wholesaler, you're getting in this industry, this real estate investing thing, you want to look down in the description below. I have numerous of resources that can help you out and help you crush it in this real estate. Forgot, I got to mention my new subscribers. There they go. Give yourself a hand. Give yourself a shout out. Thank you so much for coming on this video. The Rena MoMoney Plus channel will definitely be here to help you out. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Okay, so now let's jump back into it. That second method, certain banks use this method, and if you stay to the end, I'll give you the banks that does use this method so that you can use and contact them so that you can get this done so that you can get you a mortgage, so that you can get a house, that first time house, or you can get your client a house, their first time house. So stay to the end. I have that tip, that tool for you. That's going to be that golden nugget for staying to the end. It's called manual underwriting method. With the manual underwriting method, they take a look at your rent payments, your rent history, your phone bill history, your insurance payments, and also some would probably take a look at your utility bills. They use all these type of other payments, other type of history of payments to help qualify and create a profile for you. They will use those payment histories, that debt history, and how you make those payments. So if you manage those well, like your rent history, your utilities, phone bills, things of that nature, that will help. Again, that method is called manual underwriting method. Third method is the one that I really like, and you can use regardless of where you are, regardless of your position in the real estate industry. This third method is called subject to the existing loan. We talk about subject to on a previous video, so make sure you take some time out, go down the Rena MoMoney Plus channel and look at subject to. It's a great way to invest if you have no credit, if you have no history of credit, if you have no credit score, if you have bad credit, or you just don't have the funds to get the financing that the bank require. Subject to the existing loan. So we've went over the three options or the three methods that will help you obtain a mortgage if you do not have a credit score. Hopefully that was helpful. Now, for that tip, here's that nugget. The known banks that will use the manual underwriting method is Rocket Mortgage and Churchill Mortgage. Those are the two that are still, even in this pandemic, even with all that's going on, are still lending and helping and going through that process of doing manual underwriting. Yes, check into it, Rocket Mortgage and Churchill Mortgage. Hope this video was helpful. If I've said anything to spark you, if I've said anything to help you, if I just gave you some good, free, valuable information, make sure you subscribe because I got a lot more coming for you. Subscribe, turn on the little belly thing, stay tuned, always stay to the end because there'll be a nugget between the video, beginning or the end. Somewhere in that video, it's going to be something that's going to save you money or a tip or two that's going to help you make money. Thanks again for joining Rena MoMoney. I'm your girl. I got it here for you. Anything to do with real estate. Also, don't forget, if you need that extra help, I'm here for you. Make sure you schedule a coaching call. You can get a one-on-one coaching call with me. Schedule that with Canly.com/Rena MoMoney. Thank you. Thank you for coming. See you on the next Rena MoMoney where we'll discuss how you can crush it with this real estate. Thank you and you take care.